Hello and Happy New Year 2020. How exciting. It's a new decade. So time to get started, start that career, boost that career forward and set some goals. First of all, make sure that you celebrate what you did last year. Okay, pat yourself on the back. Really, you came through, you did a lot of great things. Another thing that'll help you set goals if you review what you did last year. So what did you accomplish? What that you'd like to improve on, and then what are those goals that you'd like to set for 2020. Make sure you break them down into small goals, I can talk, rather than a big large goal. So you can do a big large goal, but let's get those small ones to begin with, okay, so you can reach that goal. So it's kind of like the super objective in acting and then the scene objective, right? So get to those scene objectives. What do you want to do to boost your career forward? How about getting an agent and learning more about your technique as an actor? You do want to look also at your life category. So other goals could be finance, could be spiritual, it could be finding that side job, creativity, family, and doing more in all those type of areas. So write a category. Here are my life categories. Okay, acting, career, health, finances, etc. And then just go ahead and put down what you'd like to see improve on that level. So take the first step. Why wait? It's 2020. It's a new decade. I wish you all the luck and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening today.